go.
Oh!
Oh. To you too.
Hoş geldin.
There you go.
He's like growling, but he's
Kadar. Can I get the ha ha?
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah!
Oh my god. Excuse you!
High five.
Hey. Okay.
You are a fox. Phony.
Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you.
You're done.
Stop, you're not gonna like it. Bro, stop! Why are you doing that? That's bad. Don't do that.
Dude, are you okay?
Non. Non, tu recommences pas.
Ta-da!
Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
Ooga.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at his face.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Osman!
My love.
Who set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining.
아이고, 아이고.
No. No, he's gonna make it.
When do we want them? Meow.
Hey.
Why do you want to go on the ice cream shopping? Honey.
Where are my Cheetos? What are you doing?
Hi.
What the heck?
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
My little baby. We're besties.
Oh. To you too.
This is my meat.
The cat is broken.
Since before they were eggs.
You wanna play?
Oh my God!
loving cat.
Hey, what are you doing? What? What are you doing?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
The freaking counters! Augustus!
The package up here.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Empty.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Comet, I love you.
Gary!